Welcome back to another day of science. Now that we know what a habitat is, that it's some place that provides everything that an animal needs for survival, and plants for survival. And we also know what biodiversity is. That biodiversity is the variety, the difference of all the different things that live in a certain place. And when we think about the biodiversity for the whole world, it's all the living things on our entire planet. And today we're going to explore a little bit about how do we know all the things that live on our planet, and who are the people that discover those things for us. So we often think of scientists as the people in a laboratory wearing a lab coat and mixing things together. And many times we have an image of that as being what a scientist does. But there are many different types of science, and many scientists are what we call field scientists. That means that they're out in the field or in different habitats around the world, and they are counting things just like we saw yesterday with figuring out biodiversity. Scientists are out and about doing science by observing the different plants and animals in those places. So today you're going to learn a little bit about some of the jobs that are available for doing science out in nature, studying plants and animals. And as we're studying those things, we learn that one of the most important basic needs that every animal has is food. And so scientists have come up with words you probably have heard before: an herbivore that only eats plants, a carnivore that only eats animals, and an omnivore, which is what we are as humans, in that we eat both plants and animals. So today's lesson, we're going to dive deeper into some of those aspects of habitats and how we know about those habitats. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson,